Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of growth. A process of increasing your physical size. For example, the upward growth of plants. The second definition of growth. A thing that is currently growing or has recently grown. For example, a day's growth of unshaven stubble on his chin. American pronunciation. Growth. Growth. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Growth. Say. Growth. Growth means process of increasing in size. Growth. Growth. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. They varied greatly in age, size, growth rate, and geographical areas covered. Now, repeat after me. They varied greatly in age, size, growth rate, and geographical areas covered. The second practice. The symptoms of an aneurysm depend on its size and rate of growth. Now, repeat after me. The symptoms of an aneurysm depend on its size and rate of growth.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.